All right. Already getting some nice price action here first thing in the morning. Looks like we are getting some sort of rejection here of some sort. So definitely like the looks of two right here. Fair value gap. Oh. Okay. It's chilly today, for sure. But it's okay. Like a nice close too. That's so jokes. Yeah. One, two, three, four, five closes on the red candles. I'm tempted on taking another one here. Maybe we come back down. Fill the gap here a little bit. I don't really like the how the volume is playing out. Not really making me feel comfortable, but we'll see. It does look like they're engulfing it a little bit here. I do prefer to be a buyer. Oh, the 1 minute doesn't look that good. Yeah. I wonder why. You know, the 1 minute looks really bad. So that to me looks like maybe larger time frames might be better today. Trump is talking today. No other significant news. We broke above the range. We had a one big wick, one dump, one short seller in this candle here. Pushed back up to the equal highs. And then came back to the range. Now we have a really big gap in between. I want to take a long here. We'll see. Volume's coming in really strong. How's it going? Is it Alchi? Alchi? Alchi or Alci? The opening? I'm kind of liking it right now. There's a bit of a bull flag forming. So I might try it. Yeah, I'm going to go for a bull flag play here. My risk is going to be actually pretty wide. But I'll take my chances on this bull flag forming. Try it out. And then I might risk 5/10s here. I'd like to see a break upside here. 5-minute close. And then the 5-minute algorithm. So I'm just close it for now because I know the 5-minute algorithm, 925, it could fake out. So, but how are you doing today, man? Welcome to the channel. How's everything with you, bud? Yeah, 5-minute algorithm. So I'm joining Top Step TV later today if you want to see that as well. I'm gonna be on at like 12:15, bro. Apex? Congrats. Congrats. I've been kind of trying to stay away from Apex. Apex has been I've been like kind of in and out with Apex, so I want them to have like a better deal before I try to go with them again. I know that they're gonna have like a dirt cheap deal, and then my plan is to like buy 20 accounts with them again. But right now, my goal is to stay with Top Step for the time being. But yeah, congrats on passing the 2 accounts. Yeah, that news candle is weird, right? Nice 1 minute flick, and then a reversal, and then another move up. But I think we're very likely to move to the upside here, man. Yeah, I can't wait. Can't wait. 90. I just want the 90% and then like the $85 lifetime PA. I think that's the most reasonable, right? Like I don't want to go more like I don't want to push my costs so high, especially. Um, but the cheaper it is, the better because it's like you can buy a bunch of Apex accounts and then kind of like rinse through them, but also try to pass it. And then when you pass it, it's like you have 20 accounts, right? It's like it gives you a lot more opportunities to get a funded account. But I don't know how they've been paying out. So have you gotten paid out with Apex yet? Or I got paid out with them before and kind of felt like they changed too many rules, so it's like hard for me to want to go back. But they have like another one. It's called daytraders.com. That's like the Apex. That's like the Apex. The Apex copyright. It looks exactly like Apex, bro. It's crazy. It actually looks like it. I'll show you. The daytraders.com, the one that Patrick was like referring or whatever, he was like recommending for a while. It looks exactly the same. It's crazy. Like this is what it looks like. I know. That's what I'm saying. It's kind of weird. It's kind of sketchy, right? Yeah. I feel sketchy about them. I'll be real with you. I feel very sketchy about this company. I only have 2 accounts. One of them's passed. The other one is kind of like in the works. But I haven't been able to. What's it called? Like trade with them for the past 2 days because they had technical issues. So it's like I'm kind of feeling gradually very sketchy about it. Yeah. Do you have any accounts with them, or is this like here? This is where I jump in long again. Maybe it's like a little double bottom breakout, retest the support, and then another potential breakout to the upside here. Might jump in here. I don't know. I'm gonna wait for the news. I'm gonna wait for the open market first, and then you don't have yeah. Don't buy their accounts. Just don't do it. I mean, like you can buy like one or two if when it's like super cheap, like their hot 90 deal, whatever. Like it gives it to you for like 90% off, so you pay like literally at most $16 or $11 US. It's not that bad. So I bought two. Right, I used one with Patrick's affiliate code, and then I used one for the company's affiliate code. So I got like two 25Ks for 90% off. Their rules are kind of stupid though, like definitely stupid. But and their platform's really bad, really bad. But hey, like I'm gonna trade to earn a living off of it. So I'm a trade to get paid with them. I just got my Express account with the 50K, and then I'm looking to fund this other one later. Yeah, see you later. See you later. Enjoy your trading session, and hope to see you around when you make some profits and stuff. I think it's gonna go up though. By the way, we got some orders on 2200s and 22 100s here. I'm just waiting for the opportunity to jump in. Selling pressure on 930 open. I'm gonna look at larger time frame because the 1 minute looks like it's very choppy, so the 5 minutes more in play here. Got a triple top. Triple top here. Nice engulfing. Potential breakout. I might look for longs when it breaks above the wicks here, rather than hoping that it's gonna work out or some shit. Okay. Alright, I'm in some longs here. See it. I think that's reasonable. There you go. Longs are good right now. Probably for 67s. That's the open volatility. And then right here is BSL. And then rejection off of the BSL here as well. If it breaks over this, we're probably gonna run for the resistance here. Yeah, I hope my friend's in longs, bro. You're in longs, right? Okay, so that's not bad. I'm gonna go for 1 micro. Okay, so we definitely hit. We got the breakout there. I think 67.50 is here. I'm gonna lock up for a little bit. Okay, I gotta switch up a little bit here. I think I'm gonna switch on this side here. Key daily pivot's already broken through. We got no other key levels until 22,064s here on the weeklies, and then we're kind of just pushing right above the dailies here. So this is BSL. Clear BSL. The book map is showing some orders around 960s. So we got some orders at 960s here, and then the rest of them are 2200s. 2200s. So we got some orders here. I'm gonna wait for a pullback maybe. 5-minute. So 5-minute, we got a 5-minute level here. Question is, do we pull back to that? Creating a 5-minute level here as well, probably in a second. This is a pullback into the breakout here, right? Pull back into the breakout. Could be a bounce here coming. I am going to try one long here. Okay, nah, I'm gonna wait down here. This would be ideal, right? This would be an ideal area. We got, it's very thin right now from 912s, and then basically all the filled orders are below the range here. So 912s all the way down here to 800s. I'd say 800s, yeah. So this is the range right now for the institutions from 912s all the way to 800s. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna tag one long here maybe. All right. I'm in one long. Got 5 minutes left here. See how it closes here. I like that recovery here. Still gonna give it a chance here. I think 880s. Could come back up here, actually. Yeah. Would like to see it come back up to the highs here. At least 880s, I'd say. I'm out. That's okay. That's fine with me. Yeah, just right here. Shy of the open. Ah, fuck. Missed out 40 bucks there, whatever. It's not bad. Okay. That's not bad. When you're on ask people like subscribe. Okay. Morning, Katan. How are you? How are you? I'm waiting for Trump to say something stupid. I'm waiting for it. Waiting for the stupidity to come out of nowhere. One big fat candle that drops 300 points. Good old Trump. Morning, my bro. How are you? I'm good, man. I had my morning coffee. I washed my face, I think. I had my breakfast. And I am perfectly in a good mood right now with how the trend is moving. So I think we're in a good place today. We're in a good place. Yeah, good. That first day with Top Step, perfect. If you came earlier, you would have caught something with me. Definitely would have caught this one. Now, all I can say is, this is possible. All right, that's possible. I think this might be possible. We're gonna get rid of the BSLs here because it's already done. Nine to one, yeah, yeah. I took around 925s. Pretty clean trend in my opinion here, right? Just like this, straight clean breakout, double bottom, and then a push up. And I think this might be the same thing, double bottom. Watch list. This one. This is the watch list. You just have to add your symbols here. I hate using watch lists though, because it's kind of distracting. Oh gosh, man. Oh god, I almost died there. So far, we are rejecting. So far, we're riding the 105 moving average. That's one of our golden zones, right? Anything above that is bullish. And this kind of looks like it wants to climb like a staircase here towards 35s again. So I might try taking some here on my combine here. Let's try it. I'm keeping my stops pretty wide because market's not really moving. Like, it's got these weird dumps and everything, but I think this is going to be a trap. We got some sellers in here already. We got some sellers on this candle. So we got two large sellers in these two candles. We have more buyers on the left. Buyers are clearly stronger from the morning session. We got strong sellers. A lot of the sellers just got trapped here. Right? And then we just immediately had a rejection of of buyers here. So I think we got some strong, potentially strong buyers here. I'm not sure. We just made a higher low here. Right? The range is pretty big. The liquidity is thin. We got a market order on 800s here, but I think we push up first, retest this area. Yeah, what's up? What is up? What's going on? I like the 5-minute close here too. It's closing above the other wicks. This to me means that we're going to retrace this wick somewhere up here, so I'm just waiting for it to happen. I do want to see continuation here to the upside. We did close above the previous wick here. Another good indicator. So my first guess is we wick this high here one more time. This might be BSL here. I want to see a little bit of a jump here. I'm going to jump out one contract here. And go break even on this one. Let it ride here if I can. Need a 50% retest of this candle here. I want to see a breakout here, like another higher high within the range. I know 912s is an area of interest here. 912s. All right, I'm going to move my stop up here. There's a little bit over. Yeah, that's okay. It's taking a little bit of time there. Why is the top step chart different from TradingView? I think it's just because of the licensing. Just licensing. This looks bullish though, bro. This actually looks bullish. I won't lie to you. This actually does look bullish right here. I like this pennant. This is a very clean, really tight channel here, and buyers are clearly focused at the moment. So I think buyers are a little bit more interested here for sure. It looks a little bit clean for the buyers, right? We had one big seller, but they just got trapped here. You can see this little candle here. There's also sellers in this candle. So as long as we hold above this price and close above it, I think this candle specifically, we're in a good area. So I think it needs to close above this. You have to stay above that. Yeah, it's different because they just don't have the proper licensing. It costs a lot of money to professionally license with TradingView, and they probably don't want to partner up or anything like that. So they just provide like the standard TradingView setups. And I get what you mean, because like in the regular TradingView, you're allowed to use like the special indicators and everything. But if TopStep actually allows people to promote their scripts and everything on the TradingView platform, it's not really, it becomes more of like a liability thing, right? I'm pretty sure. So that's why they don't have as many scripts or programs on the regular indicators, just the basic standard ones. See, yeah, so buyers definitely look stronger here, right? Yeah. Let's take a look at ES. Yeah, buyers are definitely strong on the ES. You got the 3 candles with the increasing volume, right? So we got increasing volume here. Yeah. This one's going into the buy side liquidity. I think you know, we're gonna retest this level 6086 on ES for sure. Pretty sure, pretty confident. It might even break above it, to be honest with you. I have a really pretty strong conviction on that at the moment. And I kind of jumped out a little bit early. I would have hit $1,500 on this. Fuck. That sucks. Yeah. That's okay. Yeah. We can clearly see we broke above the levels here. Now I'm going to get rid of a bunch of these lines because I'm distracted. Okay, so what is that? There we go. So BSL. We're coming back up to retest. I think 940s could also potentially here. We closed above the 912s. Liquidity is showing 2200 still. We got 147 orders on 2200s here. They also got an order on 950s, which another indicator for me means that they are willing to push this up today. It's very thin, which is another big thing. So right along on the book map here, we have a large sum of institution orders all the way down to 775s. But the fact that we're breaking into the thinner liquidity area, that means that there's a higher probability of sweeps. We got a high probability of sweeps here. Short sellers can get out. It's going to squeeze. All right, thanks, man. You too. I hope you get a green day. I hope you get super green today with your thing. Yo, there's so much snow in Toronto. It's crazy. I bet you in Oshawa is like it's like packed, right? So much snow. Like that's crazy. So much snow. I'm gonna liquidate. Interesting. Probably liquidate and block here at $5 on the day. Maybe $1. Yeah. Let's look at the plan. The game plan here is pull back into this level here potentially. Yeah, it's looking really good. You know, they're filling all the gaps here. Not really giving people a chance to do anything more. We're about to break out. We are about to break out here. 967s. Yeah, looks like it's riding now. 9 moving average looks really clean. Didn't even try to retrace that, so that to me seems like buyers are really shoving it here. Huh. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. No news. That's a load of crap. I could probably trust this a little bit, right? Yeah. Part of me trusts that for some reason. Trust that. I actually trust that. Increasing volume here on the buy side. So that pop. Increasing volume. Now sellers are trying to shove it down here, but I like it. Increasing volume. That to me, yeah. 2200s maybe. Right here, right now. 87's first. Okay. Holy shit. Oh, 892, 890, 895, 895, 895, 895. There it is. This one will be called No Gaps Above. Yep. $69. Wait, 69s. 69. And then from there, 21. Only one available all the way is 63s, 163s, and then 163s. Okay. Nice rejection there. Interesting to see. That's for sure. Double top. Alright, that's a nice bounce. 80s to... That's a really big bounce, actually. Okay. And a key daily pivot on top of that with the 95s. That's interesting to see there. Now let's take a look at the overnight session, right? In the overnight session, we had a very nice breakout to the upside, very clean breakout, nice little chop to the upside, and then one big sweep, and then a very clean chop, and then one sweep. This right here is a bullish divergence. Probably a bullish divergence. It's bouncing off of a very key level of the breakout to the downside. So we're consolidating above in that range right now where there's a breakout potential. Yeah, I like this area right here. Anything above here is definitely breakout potential. So I'm going to be watching for a breakout today. Anything below here, though, is also good for potential breakout to the downside. But this right here might be the call for me where I see a large liquidity sweep with very light volume. The order book is showing that we have a very big seller on 62s. 862s here. So that's where all the sellers are. But it doesn't look like buyers are trying to push it up any higher than that. So we got buyers and sellers here. So that's where institutions are pushing it back to. Okay. I'm just going to keep watching because I have a feeling we're going to get a big move. Yeah, no. Prefer to see it in this area. Definitely here or below. Look at that. Maybe choppiness. Looking at the 45-minute candle, got 20 minutes for it to close. I want to see how it closes. If we close above 920s here, I think they're gonna 920s, right? That's a close above 920s here. 920s is the bull. Five-minute looks really nice. Wow. Okay, the 5-minute was such a clean retest here. I don't even know what to say. How that's not going to be bullish. I want to jump back in. Yeah. It's very heavy on the 15-minute as well. Maybe we get a big sweep. I don't know. Like even under that, like here. They got an order on the book map only below. No orders upside. Yeah. 146 on 2200s. Really big order there. Lots of orders. Very dense upside. Very thin to the downside. Looks like we're in the middle. 900s, huh? I can see on the heat map here, sellers constantly get trapped and they're packing sells into the trend quite often. Packing lots of sells, but they're unable. I'm gonna wait here. I just wait for it to break the highs on the 5-minute here. I want it to close above this price, and I'm gonna try to track one long here to see if I can catch something. Got two more minutes here, so I'm gonna buy 2 on the break of that. Maybe 2 or 3. 2 or 3 here. Micros. I'm gonna humble myself though for sure. Higher high 5-minute close. I don't know. Could try it. Yeah, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it and put my stop at 910s here. Or 69s maybe? 69s here. Let's see it crack the highs here. I'll buy 2 more if this follows through. If it fails, I'm gonna move my stop up really quickly here. Yeah, crack over the previous high here. Sellers are about to get squeezed. Pretty sure. I want to see the sellers get squeezed here. The 69s. Yeah, I'm gonna take it off. Just being safe. Yeah. Fuck. Maybe not. You know what? I screwed up there. I could have just gone break even actually on this trade. Sometimes the right trade is actually the wrong trade. I should have added to my position because I felt like selling. Yeah. I should have added to my position on this breakout. Whoops. Uh-oh. Whoopsie daisy. My bad. My bad. I should have added. I should have added. What am I thinking? All right. That was like the last trade of the day. My bad. Wow, look how bullish that is. That's not even a pennant. That's not a bearish pennant. That's not a bearish pennant. That's a bullish pennant. Look at all the sellers here piling in. All the stops are just right here. Right along the edge here. Yeah, that's a squeeze. There's sellers here. This was the liquidation of the sellers in one big candle. We might get one more. 2200s here. Okay. Definitely 2200 is a condition now. 2200's full condition here. Yep. We just touched the gap there. Filled it. All right, I want to jump in here. I want to jump in with the momentum, right? Been getting a lot of nice sweeps lately. Yeah, you know what? Might be feeling a little FOMO, that's why. But yeah, there's definitely sweep potential. 2200s here. Nice breakout. Sellers are right here. They're getting stopped out right now. They're trying to pile in. Huge accumulation bar. I don't know what the hell that is. The price didn't move with that accumulation, so what does that tell me? It didn't move with that. But 221 contract buy order on this breakout, and it didn't move. 153s here, 2200s. Yeah. We just broke out. We broke out. We just broke out on the resistance here. 2200s. Yeah, you know what? I don't want to get trapped. I feel like there's a trap. I was talking about this earlier in my Discord that sending pennants are okay, so okay, so 22080s are in play at the moment. Yeah, this is in play right now. Okay. All right, I think we all got it. I think we figured it out. I think we're looking for buys here. 2200s is sweeping. I feel like I played this really poorly. Like really poorly. Yeah, I definitely played this poorly. I had a good entry too, and whatever. That's okay. Mm. This one was my long entry criteria, 66 to 96. That should have been a long criteria, and the reason why is because we had a very clean double resistance here, right at the 64, 65s. So technically my long entry right after this volume came in with the accumulation with these two candles here, and there were clearly buyers and accumulation. I should have jumped in long here. That's a mistake. Whatever, it is what it is. So I'll remember that for the next trade. If I ever have like double tops or clean breakouts to the upside, I'll be looking for that kind of trade. Now I just gotta wait for the next trade. There are clearly no gaps to the downside here, right? Other than this specific level here, got a nice little gap just right at 30s, which is a possible retest level today. So I'll just draw that out here on the 30s. Between 34s and 30s, 34s and 30s. This is an order block here, basically. Yeah. You know, I should. Part of me wants to put an order down here instead. I'm scared of Trump. That's what it is. I'm scared of Trump. I fucking know and understand that Trump says the weirdest things, and when he does, the market goes to hell. There it is. Tentative. President Trump speaking. And then that's it, I think, right? For him speaking for a while. Yeah. All right. Nope. No, he's not talking. That's good. FOMC minutes for next week. Yeah, as long as Trump is not speaking, I'm good. Like, don't know what it is with him. All right. So that could have been the fill here. Just a bounce right off 2200s, no recovery, no soak. Still the order sits there, very bright and red. In fact, the order increased to 192 lots. I think we might come back to touch that potentially. Look how the orders are kind of settling today. Oh God, save me. All right. So order flow mentions that we have an order just sitting at 34s here. Fill, which would be perfect. I think that would be an ideal fill. It's like 9:30. 9:30 is closing at 2 minutes here, and they're trying to close it here below 66s maybe. If they close it below 66s, it means that we're inside the range of the resistance still. So this could have been a wick out, wick in, and then basically a nice dump here. Possible. We're getting a closure here. This possibility. I'm feeling something. I'm feeling something. There is something here. I can tell. There's something here. Looking at the book map and everything that's looking at the conditions of it, how thin it is up here, how retail investors are basically trading in this range, and institutions are not jumping in so quickly. It just makes me feel like they're gonna run it down here. They're gonna drop a brick on the retail investors. They got a really big sell order that got filled around 90s as well, so it doesn't just seems weird to me. Orders are opening up again on 2200s. Super thin. That's an institution right there. I think what they're going to do is going to sweep. Based on her approximation shows a weird formation. Okay, so it looks like it's breaking. Looks like it's breaking. This looks like a clean breakout. Right, I'm not. I could be tripping. Don't know. I don't know, man. This doesn't look too clean for me to trade yet. I always want to see something clean. Always. Oh my god, I was just talking to myself. Hey, how's it going? Um, Holy crap, I've been talking to myself for like almost like 20 minutes. That's messed. But yeah, yeah, it's looking good. It's looking good, and like there was a lot of opportunities that I wanted to take. Like here was one of the best opportunities possible for me, but I don't know. I don't know. I just didn't feel comfortable taking it. I didn't want like a random tweet by Trump or just something random to come up while I'm in the middle of a trade and everything. But that's probably just my anxiety talking, right? That is a little bit of anxiety with Trump. Like I've experienced some crazy stuff with Trump, tweeting some stuff, saying some stuff, and I don't feel comfortable, doing that, right? But I took some trades on my combine here. Took a couple here. Did you make anything off of this move? This was a solid move, honestly. Like I had a really good clean entry here for 880s, and my goal was to try to kind of like just pass, like get $1,500 here on this move, but I just jumped out a little bit early, and then same over here, 993s, and then I got out a 2211s here, a little bit too early too, considering that 2200s was a sweep level. So it was either one or two. I thought it was gonna come back here, so I didn't feel comfortable waiting for it too long, but I didn't expect this big candle to come through. But I can see what caused that to happen, because I was explaining that in the book map, there was a 2200 lot order just right here, like a huge lot order here. So they had basically 210 contracts of retail investors plus 2,000 institutional investors just sitting right here. So I figure that either one, the sellers are going to try to rug pull the longs here, but instead they just got squeezed, and that's what happened. Then you can see on the book map too that the orders got distributed all the way through here. It was quite a lot, honestly. And now they just jumped in another big order here, a really big one on the 60s here. Around 60s, there's a really big order just showed up on the map. It's crazy today. Volume's nuts. The volume is crazy. This could be it though. Maybe this is the area where we get that nice dump, right? Really crazy dump coming. Because there's barely any consolidation on the way up here, right? Barely any consolidation. Yeah. Okay, so I like that 1 minute wick there. And there's a little confirmation here. I think that's the high. This is the pullback here I'm expecting. Just right under that would be nice. There's a quick rug pull. Just a little pullback here, a little consolidation maybe. Quick rug pull. Yeah. This one's just right at 79. 79 is where the order is, but I need to see a pullback here, at least, right? Same as what they did here originally. We're under the 9 moving average too. Another good indicator for me. I think this is the first target though, 285s. I'd like to see it drop under that. Yep, sweep right here. I like that close. Sellers are really shoving it now. I think they're going to give it to them. I think they're going to give it to the sellers here. Yeah. That's okay. Little squeeze, little drop there. Nice little pennant forming. That should have been traded on my funded, but whatever. It is what it is. It wasn't really an A+ setup for me to take on my funded account, so I'm not going to take it. This one I'm going to lock it out because I'm kind of feeling it. I'm going to wait until 12:15 to trade it. It's in about an hour. I'll be right back. Okay. It's chilly. Freaking cold, man. The fuck? Looks like all the orders are coming back to the balance here. I'm thinking 963s here. Could come back here. I wouldn't be shocked, honestly. I would not be shocked. Look at how that's trending compared to everything else. That's usually a bearish type of move here. So we're gonna get a pullback here, somewhere here, 2200s again. Yeah, the orders are so bright right now too. Like, I know there's a 75 order here, but man, this is just making more sense for a pullback first. Back to 2200s to retest and then come back up. That would be ideal here. Man, if I'd be taking this. This is an A+, right? Like, this is where I messed up. I might have goofed here, guys. Might have goofed here. Look at that grind. Grind to hell. That's that's jokes. The hell. Okay. Little crack. Yeah. Maybe. I'm just chilling. I'll do jazz. Chilling. All right, let's take a look what we got here. Got that elevator music. My little headphones. And I'll be just chilling. Oh shit. Should have waited on this 15-minute candle. The form first before jumping in longs here. Could have been a mistake there. But I don't know. We'll see. Could have been a mistake, could have not been a mistake. I have no clue. Yeah. I just know this is the low of that candle, so I'm not gonna let myself get caught here. looking at the 15-minute, it does look like we're soaking above each of these moves. So this could engulf, honestly. Shockingly, it would be an engulfing candle. Yeah. There's only one lower low candle, but most of them are higher lows, higher low, higher lows. They never touched the 15-minute previous low candle, so that's the type of market we are running in at the moment. And I want to see a pump here, push back up to 53s at least. And then I think that's it for me on this. $205 maybe, or 210s. Yeah, that would be reasonable, right? Let me see it. Exactly $200 here. Yeah, you can do it. Come on, guys. Let the bulls continue. Right above the range here. Retesting the high of that wick. I do like this one. The end of it. I don't like the increasing volume on the buyers though. I see the increasing volume on the buyers here. This candle's gonna turn green, isn't it? Yep, I think so. Volume's increasing here, gradually, yep. I like that. I would like to see this sweep the other green candle above this range. Yeah, show me a sweep here, right above that. Yep. There's the increasing volume on this candle specifically. There it is. That's a nice close. Accumulation. So there's an accumulation of buyers here, an accumulation of buyers, and one accumulation of buyers here, and some two short sellers with volume here. This one's going to be a nice and fantastic squeeze here. I hope so. I'm not sure, but oh, buddy. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Alright, if we sweep this one, I'm not gonna stay in this trade. That's all I can say. I will not stay in a trade where it sweeps the other low. Yeah. Or it could be, I don't know. The whole point of having a stop down here. Yeah. Unlucky. That's all there is to it. Got about I got approximately 6 minutes here on this candle for it to close still, so 15-minute might be, it could honestly, like maybe I could get lucky here, and I bet like 51s here, a little strike on 51s at least, could be lucky, right? Yeah, or it's time for me to get out. Let's look at the 5-minute. Ooh, okay. So I like that. 1 green doji hammer, 2 of these, and it's right on top of the 13 moving, or the 9 moving average, I think. What is this? 9 moving average. And we cannot break another low here, right, on this candle. And then this could be an engulfing here on the 5-minute, right? I think that might be an engulfing potentially in play here. I'll see how it goes here in a second, but I got about 5 more minutes, and the 15-minute, it looks like it could close green as well. I think it could engulf here on 51.50, so I just want to be a little bit more patient on this trade here. Right? I love that. I love that. Might add to my winner here. Yep. Show me the breakout. This is 55s, 22.050s and 22.055. 55 has an order. 50s or 55s here. In between would be even better. But I do like how that is looking here. Right? A little crack there to trap some short sellers, and then for it to swing back down. I like this really strong sideways consolidation. It does not happen often where we get sideways consolidations. That to me means that we are going to get some sort of squeeze here. Because sideways consolidations are rare to have. Usually we get stronger pullbacks when it's looking a little bit more bearish here. Maybe. I want to see a pop here. Strike me out for $200 and be done with this trade. I will put my stop at the previous low of this candle now. I don't think it will return. And if it's going to be a bullish move here. Give buyers a chance here. Right? I like how it's consolidating above that range now. It's holding the 13 moving average, which is golden. I like that. Over the 9 moving average especially. This is definitely holding the 9 moving average and the 13 moving average. I want to see this continuation here of some sort to the upside. About 10 points. 10 or so points here. Nice doji on the 9 moving average again. Got 1 more minute here. Got a nice green doji formed. All right. I might cut my trade here if it's not gonna push here, guys. This is an accumulation, but not as much an accumulation anymore. Curling down setup. Oof. I don't like that. Yeah, I don't like that. Yeah, I don't like that. Yeah, I'm out. I don't like that. In fact, that's kind of looking bearish now. I don't like that. I'm not going to force myself to take a trade like this. Right? Might be faked out though because this is another higher low. Higher low on the 5 minute, on the 15 minute. We've been doing that all day here. Higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. One candle wicks down. Hits all the stop losses. When is Trump gonna talk? I don't know. I have no clue. 12.25 here. I am going to strike a short now. Into this breakout. Depends. So we'll see what happens here first. Either a gap retest here, or we can just move to the next gap retest down here. Where did it close? Closed at 41.25s. $9.73s. Maybe I got out a little bit early. I don't know. 5 minute looks kind of like an engulfing again. We'll see what happens here. I will say that this is the confirmation now. Confirmation of a downtrending setup, but it's looking more of like a support, really. I don't really want to take anything against that. Yeah, it's looking more like a support. Yeah, that one right there was another confirmation of that support. I think I might try one long here. I'm gonna go for a long again. Yep. Looks like an engulfing forming on the 15-minute. Yeah. We'll see. If this pulls back one more time, I'm going to do hands off a little bit and then wait for the trend to form. Hands off for the trend to form. $22.75s. There's an order here. like the close a lot more than anything else, really. Something's here, guys. 75s, maybe? 75s. In fact, I want to add one more. I might try break even too. Yeah, this trade's not going well. This one's obviously not going well. I will exit on this one here. Okay. I'm gonna exit on the 15s here. Just following the process here at this point. 10.25s is the 50% mark on the 15-minute, but we bounced off of it only one time today, right? And I want to really keep my opportunities open on this move, for sure. T140s. You can see there's lots of buyers here. Could be a trap here for sellers, eh? Another trap. Be a nice trap. Would be a super nice trap. Just because we had this nice sideways consolidation for a little bit of time. We got an open order on the upside. There's no orders on the downside. I don't know. Yeah, no. Sucks, but it is what it is. Assholes. Market makers, man. Fucking assholes. In fact, I don't even want to take any longs until we see this area. Right? At least. Right? feel like I could fucking buy 5 here or some shit. I don't know what's up with that. Nice pullback. There's one just right here at 65, 66 here. So I want to see if they fill for 66s instead. Yeah, 66, 90, 31s. 31s, 33s is pretty far down there. But I think it's possible. Maybe. Yeah, there's that 1 minute doji. Alright, 1 minute doji engulfing. I'm gonna try it. Yeah, I'm gonna try a little bounce here. I'm gonna try it. Yeah, I'm gonna try it. Possible bounce here. Pull back into the range. They didn't close outside of the range, right? So we wick under. We retest the prior high. All right. A little bit of selling volume. But that 1 minute doji kind of got me a little bit more perplexed. Here, that this might bounce here. Just jump in another one here really quickly. Moving average. 105 moving average. Yeah. I like the reaction there, so I'm gonna stick it for a nice bounce. Back up here. I want to see a big bounce here. I like that reaction. Needs to retest back inside this range here on the 15 and on this moving average, which we've been holding for a while, to be honest. But yep. If it sweeps me out, it sweeps me out. Yeah. I'll stick with the one account if it sweeps me out. For real. I think we come back up to an imbalance here somewhere. They've been bouncing off of this level very nicely. 105 all the way up. So I'm kind of expecting the same type of play here, potentially, where we get a nice bounce, maybe into the 20s. I would say 20s would be perfect for me. But yeah, that's the end of my stream today. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'm going to be checking in at another time. Thank you.